scathing remarks against the State Election Commissioner and the government of Goa for making a mockery of the constitution stands out. On national media yesterday has not carried that the High Court's order has only been upheld. The issue is about the mockery of the constitution. But as State Election Commissioner and State Election Commission's office becoming an inward and outward office of the government ruling party, this has not been exposed. In short, now the issue relates to 5 municipal councils, but there are another 6 municipal councils which are going to polls. Some of them also having the same issues of reservation of women which are less than the mandated 33%, or of the OBCs. जे issues ह्या 5 म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलांना लागतात ते दुसऱ्या म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलांनी काढले ना, आणि काढले ना म्हणून they will come in the ambit of the High Court order. And those elections are going on. And those elections are slated to be held on the 20th of March. Ata, when it comes to election matters, the convention in the election commission, whatever the matters relating to elections, there is one book called How India Votes. This is by S.K. Mendiratam. Now this book, the 4th edition of the book, called How India Votes, is an authoritative book which is recognized or accepted by the Election Commission of India. It is written by the legal advisor of the Election Commission of India and the Delimitation Commission, former Election Commissioner of Afghanistan, and the Principal Secretary and Director Law of the Election Commission of India. Now this book relates to the Model Code of Conduct. And the Model Code of Conduct to ensure fair play and a level playing field. Mainly fair play and level playing field. So free and fair election under the constitutional mandate asa under 243K. Ajir अशें जाता की especially page 940, I will give it to you. It speaks about phase-wise polling at different places. आज जाल्ले कितें आहा, सगळी म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलाची इलेक्शनां एक बरोबर जावपाची आशिल्ली. तातूंत 5 एफेक्टेड लोक हायकोर्टा फुडें गेले आनी 5 इलेक्शनां फुडें पडली. सो चालू आसा. म्हणटकच 2 फेजींनी म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन जाता गोंयांत. आज असो सारांश तुमच्यान घेवं येता. So the underlying object of having phase-wise polling is that results of elections in one place should not influence and leave a bandwagon effect. This is the exact word used, bandwagon effect, on the trend of voting in other places, which are